I just made nails out of paper. And guess what? They turned out amazing. Let's do this. No glue, no acrylic, no money. No worries. Finally, a use for that failed algebra test. Now glue them on using clear nail polish or actual glue if you have it. Hold each for a few seconds until it sticks. Time for the magic. Paint them. If you try this, tag me. I want to see your paper power nails. Subscribe for more weird beauty hacks that actually work, kind of.